Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Humana health insurance easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your Humana health insurance, start by visiting the Humana website. Look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you don't remember your login details, click on the Forgot Username or Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your username or reset your password. Once you regain access to your account, navigate to the Profile section. Here, you'll find options related to your insurance settings. Locate the Reset Insurance or Edit Policy option. Click on that link to proceed. You may need to verify your identity through security questions or a verification code sent to your email or phone. After verification, you'll be able to view your current plan details. If you want to make changes, select the option to update your policy preferences. Follow the instructions provided to customize your benefits. Review the changes carefully before submitting. Once you confirm your updates, a confirmation message will appear on the screen. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation of the changes you made. This message will serve as proof of your updated coverage. If you encounter any issues during the process, contact Humana's customer service for assistance. They can guide you through the reset or any complications you face. Finally, make sure to regularly check your account to ensure all details are correct. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.